Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building a simple shelf to organize our small parts boxes using a cheap OSB board that costs under €5. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects and tool content almost daily. Let's begin with the tools we'll need. For this build, you'll need an angle grinder or cutting tool for wood, a drill driver with bits, a measuring tape, a marker, clamps, screws, and of course, one OSB board. First step, we cut the two side panels to the exact same dimensions. Make sure both pieces are identical so the shelf will be stable and aligned. Next, we adjust the cutting guide on the blade so we can prepare the support pieces that the boxes will sit on. This helps us keep everything consistent and straight. Now we cut the wooden strips we need at around 3.5 centimeters. If you want, you can make them a bit wider depending on your needs. Before assembling, we drill pilot holes in the wood. This is very important because it prevents the wood from splitting when we drive the screws in. We start assembling by screwing the first shelf support at the bottom part of the structure. Then we place the second side panel and screw it in exactly the same positions to keep everything aligned. After that, we secure the top panel and add two smaller pieces at the back. These will connect the two side panels and give extra strength to the structure. On those back pieces, we drill holes and mount the shelf to the wall, using wall plugs so it stays firmly in place. And here is the final result. A simple, clean shelf that perfectly organizes our storage boxes. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY builds and tool reviews. See you in the next one.